Tired of your devices dying when you need them most? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, the ultimate portable power solution that keeps you connected. Imagine charging your iPhone over 6 times on a single charge. That's the freedom this incredible power bank offers, perfect for travel or busy days. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it's not just for your phone. Easily power tablets, smartwatches, and more, ensuring you're never stranded. What truly sets this power bank apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest, safest charge possible. Forget slow, generic chargers. PowerIQ means less waiting and more doing, getting you back to 100% in record time. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, sharing power with a friend or powering your phone and earbuds at once. If you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity portable charger that genuinely performs, this Anker PowerCore is an absolute game-changer. Don't get caught with a dead battery again. You can grab your own Anker PowerCore 20000mAh through the link in our description right now. It's the smart investment for anyone seeking peace of mind and top-tier charging technology that lasts. For unbeatable portable power in 2025 and beyond, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is our top recommendation. Trust us, you won't regret it.